In the fast-paced world of contract and commercial management, staying ahead is key. Introducing a groundbreaking course to revolutionize the way you approach your work. Get ready to harness the power of ChatGPT in contract and commercial management. Be empowered and unlock the full potential of ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI language model, and apply it to enhance your contract and commercial management workflows. In this course, you will dive deep into understanding the capabilities of ChatGPT and equip yourself with the knowledge to leverage its full potential. Explore the vast benefits and potential applications of ChatGPT in contract and commercial management. Learn how to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT, boost efficiency, how to leverage its capabilities to streamline operations, and tackle common challenges head-on to achieve remarkable outcomes. You will find out where ChatGPT fits in the contract and commercial management lifecycle, giving you valuable insights to optimize your processes at every stage. Learn how to use this powerful tool to overcome complex issues. Discover how it can help you effortlessly draft contracts, generate contract templates and clauses, create comprehensive and accurate documents, perform seamless contract review and analysis, and ensure your contracts are rock solid. This course, Harnessing the Power of ChatGPT in Contract and Commercial Management, will elevate your skills to new heights. Click on the links in the description and enroll in our course now.